Hi everyone, so thank you so much for joining me in this week's video. I absolutely love the Allure beauty box, and you guys know I am a huge skincare just lover, all things, and I love trying new products. And yeah, this month they had some really great things from this really nice moisturizer. This was really, I felt it wasn't too thick, but I really loved how moisturizing it was, especially how cold it is outside. They also came with, this is like a scalp exfoliator, and so I just kind of wanted to show you guys the texture. So it's not too grainy, it's not too scratchy, but you can definitely tell it's got little granules in there. And then this is a beauty serum. I really liked how it felt on my skin. It was just really nice. It went on very smooth, and I've actually been using this at night, and so I really just like the formula. I definitely will buy this again once it's done. The next item was an eye mask, and I don't know, as I'm getting older, I definitely am seeing that underneath my eyes are getting a lot more puffier, especially when I wake up. So this felt really nice and really relaxing, and I will definitely be putting these in the fridge and buying more. I guess it's like now I'm in my 40s. It's just my dark under eye circles are getting darker and more puffier. And this was a really nice essence just to kind of clean up. I felt that this, after I washed my face, I used this and I still had like leftover residue from makeup and things like that. So I thought this was a really great product. The next item, this was a liquid eyeshadow, and I really liked the color and just how, well, the packaging is gorgeous, but I just really liked how neutral it was. It was just a hint of gold, as you can see, so it was just really nice to, just get in there and be more blendable. Sorry, it wasn't like a look that I was going for. I just wanted to kind of show you guys. And then they always incorporate a face mask, and it's like a sheet mask, which I really like, so you can just kind of place that on the skin and just kind of relax for a little bit and just let that soak in. And then with the extra product, I like to just kind of bring that down and bring it all the way down to my neck as well. And the next item, my lips, I don't know about you guys, but they are severely chapped, and I'm pretty sure you noticed a little bit of that in this video, but this has been a lifesaver. I've tried sleeping lip masks before, and I will leave a comment down below in the description, of another one that's really good. But since I started using this, like Vaseline doesn't even heal and help the way that this does. So you just kind of put it on, you go to sleep, and you wake up and your lips are so much better. And this is after me using this product for probably 2 nights. It is a huge difference from where it was before. So I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.